problems of thermodynamics. Here the question is given that an ideal gas example is a hydrogen gas, monoatomic gas, and gamma value ideal gas gamma becomes 5/3. It is nothing but monoatomic gas it is. So example H2 hydrogen gas. So sorry, monoatomic gas. Hi, today hello, this lecture we continue the concept of thermodynamics and the problems of first law of thermodynamics. So one problem is given that an ideal monoatomic gas, that means monoatomic gas gamma value 5/3 confined in a cylinder by a spring loaded with a piston. This is one piston, area of cross section A. So this is attached to a spring. So it is piston is movable. So piston is movable. Cross sectional area is given A equals to 8 into 10 power 3 meters square minus 3 meters square. Initially the gas at a temperature, initial temperature T1 equals to 300 Kelvin. Initial temperature is given and occupies a volume, initial volume becomes 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the initial volume. And the spring is at a relaxed position. Spring is at relaxed position. The gas is heated by a small electrical heater. Using electrical heater, this gas is heated. This is one electrical filament heater it is. So the temperature is increases. Then this piston is slowly moving. Piston is moving the displacement. The displacement of the piston x value is given. This displacement is given, that value x equals to 0.1 meter. This is x value it is. So x value is given. Then we want, so dielectric, so यहाँ पे K indicates that is spring constant 8000 Newton per meter. So what is find the temperature of gas? This gas temperature we want and heat supplied by the heater. Temperature and heat supplied by heater. But originally in this condition, relaxed position, the pressure becomes atmospheric pressure 1 into 10 power 5 Pascal or Newton per meter square. This is the pressure value here. So this is the pressure ka value. So this is given that. But we calculate what is the heat supplied by heater and find the temperature of gas. So temperature we want. But here the final pressure P2. Just this piston is moving away. That means the gas expands. The piston is moved away means pressure on this piston. P2 write as atmospheric pressure plus force per area, force on the piston, force per area, force on the piston, this is P0 plus Kx, force on the piston, that force is acting on the spring, that is Kx upon area, where P2 write as 1 into 10 power 5 Pascal plus, this is K write as 8000 into displacement 0.1 upon area write as, area is given 8 into 10 power minus 3 it is. Its value becomes, this is 10 power 5 plus, this is 8000, so upon 8 this is 1000 into this is 10 power 5 it is, 1 into 10 power 5. The pressure becomes 2 into 10 power 5 Pascal, this is P2. And again V2 volume, then the gas is expand. Gas expands, then volume becomes V2 value. What is the value of volume? Volume write as initial volume V1 plus increasing volume. Increasing volume, that is write as A into X. Area of cross section into displacement. It is write as V1 equals to 2.4 into 10 power minus 3 plus area is given that. So area is given, that is 8 into 10 power minus 3 into 0.1. 0.1 means 10 power minus 1. Its value becomes 2.4 into 10 power minus 3 plus 0.8 into 10 power minus 3. This is the value. So its value is volume become 3.2 into 10 power minus 3. This is V2. You know that the P2 value, final pressure and final volume V2. Then we want the temperature of gas. What is the temperature? Using the ideal gas equation, P1 V1 upon T1, that is equals to P2 V2 upon T2. We want the temperature. Find the temperature of the gas. Gas temperature हमको चाहिए. So temperature of the gas P1. So that value equals to 1 into 10 power 5 into volume. Volume is given 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. Upon temperature is 300 Kelvin. This is equals to P2 right as 2 into 10 power 5 Pascal into volume is right as 3.2 into 10 power minus 3 upon. So this is the temperature, that is becomes T2. So a value is simplified. This value 10 power 5, 10 power 5 minus 3 is cancelled. This is right as T2 into 2.4, that is equals to 300 into 6.4 it is. Its value becomes, so this is 6 times, so this is 12, so sorry, this is right as 8 3 times, 8.3 times, that means 3 times and 8 times it is 0.8. Okay, after this is 100, then T2 becomes 800 Kelvin. So T2 becomes 800 Kelvin. That means T2, this is in degree centigrade, 800 minus 273. Its value becomes, this is 7 to 527 degree centigrade. This is the final temperature. That means the gas temperature is this. Just it is. So this part, इस second part के लिए यहाँ पे देखिए, we want the heat. ये heat कैसे calculate कर सकता है? So delta Q, this is be second question. Delta Q equals to delta W plus delta U. Work done plus internal energy का summation. That is equals to total heat supplied. First we complete that work done, delta W. So delta W is write as P into delta V. Otherwise it is write as dW equals to P into dV. dW equals to P into dV. This value is write as dW equals to P write as P naught plus AX upon, that means this is write as Kx upon force upon area into, this is the total pressure into dV. So dV write as d derivative differentiation of A into X it is. Volume write as A into X, where dW equals to P naught, okay, P naught into A into differentiation of dx plus, this is write as Kx upon A into dx. So here is cancelled. Here it is write as dW both side, integration is applying on both side. After integration, W equals to P naught into A integration of dx plus this is, so K into integration of x dx. Its value becomes P naught into A into x plus this is K into integration of x dx. Its value integration of x dx is write as half kx square. Work done on the spring. So work done on the spring is half kx square, and due to expansion the work done P naught into A into x. You know P naught value 10 power 5, and area is 8 into 10 power minus 3. Displacement 0.1 plus half kx square, k write as 8000, 8 into 10 power 3 into x square 10 power minus 1 whole square 10 power minus 2. This is the work done becomes 8 into a 10 power minus 4, this is 80. So this is 80 plus its value becomes, this is 40. Total the work done equals to 120 joule. This is the work done value. Work done becomes 120 joule. 80 joule, this is 80 joule, it is just to do the work against atmospheric pressure. Do work against atmospheric pressure, P naught across, against my work done it is. And 40 joule, this is work done by, okay, on the spring, work done on the spring. On spring, that is 40 joule. The total work done is write as 120 joule. This is the total work done, that value equals to 120 joule. So delta W equals to 120 joule. This is the total work. Again, so we want heat, so we know that work done, we find out the internal energy. So internal energy delta U. So this value becomes delta U is write as NCV into delta theta. NCV delta theta it is. NCV delta theta, that is nothing but internal energy. So using that values are, it is write as, so this is nothing but P final, that means P2 minus 2. So this is write as N into R upon gamma minus 1. This is CV value into delta theta. NR delta theta, that is write as P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon gamma minus 1. This is delta U. Delta U write as NR delta theta. NR delta theta, that is write as NR delta theta equals to P2 P1 P2 V2 minus P1 V1. This is the NR delta theta. That means P into V equals to nRT1. So this is P1 V1 nRT1. P2 V2 nRT2. So this is nRT2 minus T1, that is equals to P2 V2 minus P1 V1. This is the value. So delta U, its value becomes P2 V2 minus P1 V1. P2 V2, its value becomes P2 V2 6.4 into 10 power 6.4 into 10 square 2 into 3.2 into 10 power 2, that is 6.4 into 10 power 2 minus P1 V1. P1 V1 it is write as, so 2.4 into 10 power 2, 2.4 into 10 power 2 upon gamma value 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 it is. 5 by 3 minus 1, this is delta U. Its value becomes, this is simplified, this is 4 into, this value equals to 4 into 10 power 2 upon, its value equals to 2 upon 3. This is simplified after, it is write as 6 into 10 power 2. This is internal energy it is. Internal energy becomes, it is nothing but 600 joule. This is internal energy. So this is internal energy becomes 600 joule, and external, this is external work is 120 joule. External work is 120 joule. So then its value becomes delta U, we know 600 joule, and this is delta W 120 joule. After that means internal energy and external work done, that is equals to delta Q, that is equals to delta W plus delta U. its value becomes 120 plus 600, 720 joule. This is heat absorbed by the system. The heat supplied by the heater, that is nothing but 120 joule. It is 120 joule, that is heat supplied by heater. This is the second question. Problem: 3 mole of ideal gas is given and Cp, specific at constant pressure, is given 7 by 2R, and the pressure P and temperature T isothermally expands to twice its initial volume. So that means P1, that is equals to P, P2, this is pressure it changes. Initially volume V1 equals to V. Final volume becomes twice the volume. But this is isothermal process. Isothermal process means in this condition temperature remains constant. Temperature constant P1 V1, that is equals to P2 V2. Then P1 is P, V1 is V, and P2 into V2 is 2V. So this V is cancelled. Then P2 is write as P by 2. P2 write as P upon 2. That means isothermal process. This is isothermal process. This is the condition. Here the condition just you observe. First case is isothermal. First one is isothermal process. And second one. So this is, it is then compression at constant pressure. At constant pressure its original volume. Again constant pressure means that is isobaric process. Here temperature constant, another one is pressure constant, isobaric process. Next finally the gas compressed at constant volume. So constant volume means isochoric process. Isochoric process, that means volume remains constant. These three processes are here the present. That means first question, first one is sketch P, V and PT diagram. P and V ka graph. P and V ka graph, pressure and volume graph. Pressure on y-axis, volume on x-axis. Initially the pressure, this is P1. So pressure is, so this is initial pressure, and initially the volume becomes V1. This is initial volume V1. Initial pressure P1, this is nothing but P. So initial volume V1 equals to V. When volume increases, V2 becomes 2V. Volume becomes 2V it is. Volume becomes 2V. This condition, volume increases, then pressure decreases it is. Volume increases, pressure decreases. At final volume V2, that is 2V, that condition pressure becomes. So this case the pressure becomes, this is P2 it is. So initially this P2 becomes P upon 2. Final pressure becomes P by 2. So this is isothermal process. A to B, this is isothermal process. When volume increases, that condition pressure decreases. This is the first one. So AB indicates isothermal. Again, isobaric, constant pressure, it is comes from B to C position it is. B to C. This is BC indicates constant pressure, that is nothing but isobaric process. Isobaric process BC. Again, isochoric process, volume constant, it is comes original position. It comes original position, that means AC, that is indicates isochoric process. That means the sketch of, so P and V sketch, this is PV graph. So PV graph, but it is a cyclic process it is. Cyclic process A to B, B to C, again C to A. It is a cyclic process. Cyclic process, internal energy becomes 0. Cyclic process, internal energy becomes 0. Here the work is done. First condition में isothermal process, work done. So A to B, work done, A to B. So this condition, isothermal process, work done equals to 2.303 nRT. Temperature constant here. Here temperature is constant. Here pressure constant. Here volume constant. nRT log base 10 V final V2 upon V1. Its value becomes 2.303 nRT. So this is 2V upon V, log base 10. 2V, volume is doubled upon V, 2.303 nRT. So this is log 2 base 10 it is. Log 2 base 10, its value becomes 0.303, 2.03 nRT. So this is 0.3010. Its value becomes 0.693 nRT. So this is work done is positive. Gas is expands. That means the gas expands. Then N is write as 3 mole. N becomes 3 moles. So this is write as 3 into 0.693 into 3 RT. Its value 9, 27, 2, 18, 20, 2.079 RT. This is work done in isothermal process. This is isothermal process. Isothermal process, this is the work. Work done in isothermal process 2.09079 RT. Again, the second condition. Second condition is this is isobaric process. Isobaric process, the work done. Work done from B to C. This is write as P into pressure into V final minus V initial. It is write as P into V final is 2V. So this is work done. Work done B to C. So B to C position. What is the work done? Work done from B to C. This is isobaric process. Isobaric process, P into V final minus V initial. But here you know that, so volume, what is the volume? Initial volume is 2V. Final volume, that is V. Volume at constant pressure constant. So volume and temperature directly proportional. So volume and temperature directly proportional. So this is write as V initial and so this is volume write as initial volume and final volume. Initial by V final. T initial by T final. So initially here the initial temperature and final temperature. So this is initial volume 2V upon final volume V. Volume decreases. Volume decreases, then temperature also decreases. Initially we consider the temperature is T. Here the temperature becomes T temperature here. Temperature T upon T final. So this is the T final. Its value right. T final is nothing but T upon 2. T initial is T. T initial, its value is T. And T final becomes T by 2. Here the work done from B to C. It is nothing but N into R into T final minus T initial. Its value becomes N into R. N write as 3 into R into T final. T by 2 minus T. Its value becomes minus 3. So this is minus T by 2 minus 3 RT upon 2. This is work done from B to C. B to C the work done becomes minus 1.5 RT. This is work done from B to C. B to C, the work done is this. And again, work done from A to B, work done from C to A, work done from C to A. This is nothing but this is isochoric process. Isochoric process means volume constant. Volume constant, then work done equals to V final minus V initial. Its value becomes 0. Work done C to A, that value becomes 0. Then total work done in this process, equals to work done AB plus work done BC plus work done CA. Its value becomes 2.079 RT minus 1.5 RT plus 0. This is minus negative work is there. Then this work done equals to 2.07 minus 1.5. This is nothing but 0.579 RT. But this is work is positive work. Work done is positive. So you know the total heat supplied. Total heat supplied, we want that heat supplied equals to delta U plus delta W. Heat supplied, that value becomes delta Q plus delta U plus delta W, where delta Q equals to internal energy. Cyclic process internal energy becomes 0 and work done becomes 0.579 RT. So delta Q, its value becomes, this value becomes 0.579 RT. This is nothing but total heat value. Total heat equals to 0.579 RT. This is heat. But here P and V graph we completed. PT graph. What is the shape of P and T graph? Just you observe. You have a temperature constant. A to B temperature constant. Again here temperature T to T by 2. Again T by 2 to T. That means the A position temperature is T. A position temperature becomes T and B position temperature T. C position temperature T by 2. Temperature at C position, that value becomes T by 2. C position, the temperature is T by 2. We draw the graph, same, the second diagram, sketch 2. So already this is total heat is completed. Pressure and volume graph is over. Pressure and temperature graph. Pressure and temperature graph. So this is A, B, C, three positions. A position, the temperature T and pressure P. B position, temperature T, pressure P by 2, pressure decreases. And C position, temperature T by 2. So again, pressure is P by 2. So this case, first we consider this is the T temperature. So this is A position, that condition pressure becomes P. A position is we considered here. So this is A position, temperature T and pressure P. This is A position. After B position, same temperature. Temperature is same temperature and pressure decreases. Pressure decreases to P by 2. This is the pressure. Pressure becomes P upon 2. B position. Temperature constant temperature, pressure decreases. Again, B to C position, temperature is decreases to T by 2. Temperature decreases to T by 2. Temperature decreases to T by 2, but pressure remains constant, P by 2. Pressure is constant. Again, this is the C position. Again, C position to A position, temperature increases. Again, pressure B increases, temperature increases, pressure increases, directly proportional. A to B, B to C, C to A. This is one cyclic process. That means I have a pressure P, so this is T and P. T and P. Here, so this is pressure P by 2 and temperature is T and pressure becomes P by 2. And C position, temperature T by 2. Pressure P by 2. This is the one cyclic process. This is the P and T graph. PT graph it is. So this is A B problem. A figure shows, this is one figure is given. There are three different isothermal lines. These are isothermal line means enter this line the temperature remains constant. Under this line the temperature constant. So this is, so there are one cyclic process is given A to B position, B to C position and C to D position. This is one cyclic process. You know that cyclic process, the work done becomes, the internal energy becomes zero. Very simple cyclic process, internal energy becomes zero. Just we proved here. So the T1, T2, T3 is given temperatures 1 gram mole of, number of moles is 1 is given. Ideal gas taken from path A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Find the change in internal energy. The work done by the gas. Work done is not zero. We calculate the work done in this case. Work done not zero. And again, heat energy absorbed by the gas, each path में heat energy delta Q value also we want. Delta Q equals to delta U plus delta W. So this is each path में. So we want heat absorbed by the gas. Also find the quantities for complete cycle A, B, C, D. So complete cycle may be heat we want. Initial volume V, A position में volume and B position में volume are given. So here just we considered path AB. A to B path. This condition, what is the internal energy? Internal energy delta U equals to, this is, so the gas, ideal gas is right as, so this is N into this Cp, so this is Cv, NCV delta theta. NCV delta theta, this is AB process में, N number of mole 1, Cv writer 3 by 2 R, monoatomic gas 3 by 2 R, and temperature change A to B, the temperature change, B is 4000, A is 2000, 4000 minus 2000. So this value becomes 3 by 2 R into 2000. Its value becomes 3000 R. This is the R value, it is 2000 by 2. That is 1000, 3000 R. This is internal energy. Again here work done equals to. So work done it is in this condition. So this is pressure remains constant. Volume changes from VA to VB. Work done equals to P into. So P into delta V. V final minus V initial. So this is constant pressure. This is P into V final minus V initial. This is nothing but N into R into T final minus T initial. So T final minus T initial. So its value becomes write as, so this is T final minus T initial. This is write as NR into, this is the value. But this condition work done equals to N 1 mole into R into temperature. Final temperature 4000, initial temperature 2000. This is 2000 R. Its value equals to 2000 R. So this is the delta U and delta W. After this is delta Q. Here first case delta Q becomes, it is 2000 plus, so this is 3000 plus 2000 R. This is 5000 R. 5000 R. This is A to B. A to B process. This is the delta Q. Again B to C. B to C this process. B to C internal energy. Internal energy delta U, that is equals to N into Cv into delta theta. So this is temperature 4000 Kelvin, A 2000 Kelvin. So this is write as 1 into 3 by 2 R. It is write as 2000 final minus initial. Its value becomes minus 3000 R. Internal energy minus 3000 R. And work done becomes So P, so this is, in this condition volume remains constant, P into V final minus V initial. So what about B2C? So it is at constant volume. This is nothing but isoporic process. The work done becomes 0. So here the total heat delta Q equals to delta U plus delta W. Delta Q equals to delta U plus delta W. This value becomes delta Q. This is delta W becomes 0. Only it is delta U equal, that is minus 3000 R. So B2C, same as C2D position. C2D position, the internal energy delta U. Delta U equals to NCV into delta theta. It is nothing but, so this is pressure constant. Pressure constant, this is, this condition C2D position. C2D position internal energy 1 into 3 by 2 R into temperature change. This is D position by temperature. D position temperature is 1000, it is isothermal line is 1000 Kelvin, and C position 2000. That final minus initial 1000 minus 2000. Its value becomes minus this is 3000. So this is 1000. This is 1500. 1500 R. This is the internal energy. Internal energy equals to minus 1500 R. Again here the delta W, work done CV. So C2D process, work done is write as P into V final minus V initial. V final is D position. So D position and V initial is C position. It is write as NR into temperature of D position minus temperature of C position. It is write as NR 1 into R. So it is temperature of D position temperature 1000 and temperature of C position, that is 2000. So its value becomes minus 1000 R. But here, so this is work done equals to minus 1000 R. This is total heat delta Q. Delta Q equals to minus 1500 minus 1000. This is minus 2500 R. So this is minus 2500 R. Again D2, so D2 last position is D2A. D2A position. D2A position internal energy delta U. It is nothing but internal energy equals to NCV delta theta. Its value becomes 1 into 3 by 2 R into, so D2A position. Final position is A. Initial position is D. This is 2000 minus 1000. 2000 minus 1000. Its value becomes, so this is 1000 into 3 by 2. Then this is 1500 R. But it is plus 1500 R. But here D2A position, the work done becomes 0. D2A position, work done becomes 0. Due to this is constant volume. Constant volume means D2A position, the work done becomes 0. Work done becomes 0 because volume constant. Here delta Q is write as, this is 1500 R plus 0. This is plus 1500 R it is. So this is plus 1500 R. So that means this is first AB condition by total heat. So this is BC condition. This is CD condition. This is D2A condition. Just check this. But what about the total internal energy? Total internal energy and total work done and total heat. Total internal energy. So first case में A to B internal energy. Example, this is the total internal energy. A to B internal energy 3000 R plus B to C internal energy minus 3000 R. Next, C to D position internal energy, that is minus 1500 R. Last, D to A position internal energy plus 1500 R. the total internal energy becomes 0. This is cyclic process. Total internal energy becomes 0. This is cyclic process. Total internal energy, its value becomes 0. But total work done in this cyclic process, total work done. Work done becomes, first case the work done equals to A to B condition 2000 R. And another condition, work done B to C, work done becomes 0. And another C to D, the work done becomes minus 1000 R. Again last condition D to A, that condition work done becomes 0. So its value, total work done equals to 2000 minus 1000, this is 1000 R. This is the total work done value. Total work done becomes like this. This is the total work done. And total heat is write as delta Q. Total work done plus total internal energy, delta U plus delta W. This is total heat, that is nothing but 1000 R. This is the total heat. That means in this cyclic process, the work done became 1000 R and total internal energy 0 and total heat equals to 1000 R it is. 1000 R is the total